Okay, this lesson is going to go pretty fast. Lesson 5-4, how do you solve with percents and equations? A lot of times we might set up equations using percents, especially if we're talking about sales tax. Alright, let's say for example a hairdryer cost $22. If the sales tax is 4.9%, let's first find the tax for the dryer. What I always do with tax is I multiply it to the price of the item. So I have my $22 hairdryer, and I'm going to multiply it times 4.9%. I'm going to write that as a decimal so I can work with it in my equation. So to write this as a decimal again, I am moving that decimal 2 places to the left. So I would have 0.049. To solve, I'm just going to write this underneath. Now when I multiply, I get 1078. Looking back up in my problem, I have 1, 2, 3 place values that are after a decimal. So I'm going to have to do the same thing down here. 1, 2, 3. My decimal place would go right here. So I would have $1.07. I'm going to go ahead and round because I can only have 2 place values in a dollar amount. So I'd have 1.0, and this 8 is going to cause me to round up. So $1.08, that's my tax on my hairdryer. Now if I want to find the total cost I would pay at the register, I would take my original retail price and then I'd have to add the tax to it. So this would be $22 plus $1.08. That's my tax. 8023. So at the register I would end up paying $23.08 for the $22 hairdryer. Okay, we have one more example. It's about finding the whole amount. We might have gone over this, setting it up using proportions. This is just another way to set it up, writing an equation. Okay, if we're asked 60 is 48% of what number, I'm looking for my original number that the 48% is being taken from. So this is going to be my original number times my percent. I'm going to write as a decimal 0.48. Gives me 60. So just kind of reading that to myself. I have a number. 48% of it is 60. So 60 is 48% of what number? Alright. So solving, isolating in, I'm going to divide 0.48 from both sides. To set this division problem up, before I can divide, I'm going to move this decimal place in, and I have to do it in here also. So I have 48 now going into 6,000. When I divide, I get 125. So 60 is 48% of 125, and this is reasonable because 60 is about half of 120, and 48% is about 50%. So that's a good way to estimate, and this is close to my estimation. So I'm good. That's all we have for tonight. I hope you have a wonderful night, and I'll see you tomorrow. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye.